Your words shape your reality. The way you talk to yourself determines whether you stay stuck or break through. Too many people limit themselves with their own words. They say, "I can't afford that." And just like that, they shut down the possibility of ever having it. Instead, ask, "How can I afford that?" This simple shift forces your brain to think of solutions. It moves you from limitation to opportunity. They say, "I don't have time," and suddenly they surrender to the chaos of life. But successful people don't find time, they make time. Say, "How can I make time?" and watch how your priorities shift. Watch how you start cutting out distractions and making space for what truly matters. And then there's the biggest lie of all, "I'm not lucky like them," as if success is handed out randomly. It's not. Luck is created through preparation, hard work, and persistence. Instead of making excuses, ask yourself, what skills can I build to create my own luck? The people you admire weren't just lucky. They took action, they learned, they failed, and they kept going. Your mindset is the foundation of your success. Every time you speak, you are programming your future. You can speak life into your goals, or you can speak defeat into them. So from this moment forward, change your language. Stop shutting doors on yourself and start opening them. Stop making excuses and start finding solutions. Because the way you talk to yourself today will determine where you stand tomorrow.